Okay, Anaisha, so since you have just now did the visualization of this, you just now did the visualization of this work, which is absolutely perfect. So you understand how at units place, which is the rightmost, horses या things group हो रहे हैं, 10 का ग्रुप बनता है, जैसे ग्रुप कंप्लीट होता है, you move to the left side, right? है ना? Exactly same in reverse. Sorry, in reverse, you do in subtraction. Imagine the multiplication now, but you already know that multiplication is like repeating the same thing again and again, right? It's like अगर हमारे पास अगर if I'm writing like this, ये क्या है? It is representing just these 3 single units of horses, single units, है ना? अगर मुझे इसे 4 बार रिपीट करना है तो मैं कैसे रिपीट करूंगा? This is what repetition means, है ना? यही मतलब होता है रिपीटेशन का, करेक्ट है? ऑब्वियसली, बट अगर तुम इसको रिपीट कर रही हो, if you are repeating it, रिपीट करने से ये 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 और ये कंबाइन होके दे आर क्रिएटिंग वन पैकेट. If they are creating one packet, that packet should move to this place, and only the remaining part, this part, should be over here. Correct? Do you see how 3 times 4 has become 12? Simply, what you did was actually, में देखा जाए तो तुमने ये किया है, तुमने, सॉरी, तुमने सिंपली सबको ऐड किया है. That is what it is, right? Now think about 2-digit number when you're multiplying 2-digit numbers. Think about that. So which is, suppose it's 23. You already know that this 3 is this, right? And what is this 2? बोल के बोलो मुझे एक बार, क्या है?
2 packets
of 10 horses each. So correct. अभी मैं, we are told to do it 4 times. इसको 4 बार रिपीट करना है. अब अगर इसको 4 बार रिपीट करना है तो ये कैसा दिखेगा, पहले तो वो देखते हैं, ठीक है? 4 बार रिपीट करने का मतलब हुआ, ये एक बार तो यहाँ पे आ गया, एक और बार रिपीट करना है तो ये 2 पैकेट्स फिर से आएंगे, एंड देन दिस, फिर 2 पैकेट फिर से आएंगे, एंड देन दिस, फिर 2 पैकेट फिर से आएंगे, एंड देन दिस. यही मतलब हुआ. this and this together is times 4, isn't it? Sure? Visual यही होगा पक्का? अब देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है, देखना ध्यान से. आप पहले इसको 4 टाइम्स कर रहे हो, इसको जब आप 4 टाइम्स कर रहे हो तो क्या हो रहा है? लुक वेरी केयरफुली क्या हो रहा है इसको जब 4 टाइम्स कर रहे हैं. जिसमें से ये पार्ट is becoming one whole packet, which you will actually put over here, है ना? तो यहां से तो हट गया, और अभी तुम्हें इसको भी 4 टाइम्स करना है. You want to do this 4 times also, ना? ये 1 2 3 4, you want to do that also 4 times, right? 4 times would mean what? 4 times would mean this. You already know, right? I mean, I just have to draw it 4 times, like 1 time, 2 time. ये हो गया 4 times. which is 8. And this also, which came because of the grouping completed, that has completed over here. So it's gonna be actually 9, right? So what is the final thing? Is it 9 and then 2? 2 is because here, this one is 2. Is it?
Yes.
Do you see how it is working? Yeah. You can, if you focus on this single philosophy, single core logic, that again, I know that I've been repeating this for past 2 sessions again and again, right? Because that is what it is. At the core of it, the philosophy is you are grouping, and when the group is complete, you are moving to the left side and you add up to the existing groups. जो उस कॉलम में ग्रुप्स है उसमें आप ऐड कर देते हो और वो नंबर लिख देते हो, जिसको तुम प्लेस भी बोलते हो. That's why, see, over here this is units, right? So I'm going to go to the next page. When you write this 243,
That.
you want to say something?
No.
This place, you are just telling singles, units. How many units, not groups. But once these groups are complete, 10 packet of 10 each. A packet of 10 each, you start to put them over here. Because it is packet of 10 each, you start to call it tens place. मैं यहाँ पे लिख भी देता हूँ for your convenience, okay? And when these packets of 10 each, जब इनका एक 10 का पैकेट बन जाता है, इन पैकेट्स का भी पैकेट बन जाता है, to write hundreds, right? Yeah, is that okay? अब ये इनका 10 का पैकेट दिखाना is a little difficult. I mean 10 के पैकेट्स बन गए हैं. Now to make a whole packet जिसमें 10 पैकेट्स हैं, it's kind of difficult. फिर आगे तो और भी difficult होता जाएगा, right? Do you understand? So what I do is I can very simply, instead of again and again doing the visualization, I can very simply write it like this. Single unit repeating 3 times, packet of 10 repeating 4 times, and a packet of 100. So packet of 100 would be obviously much larger. Packet of 100 is a packet of 10 packets with 10 each. You understand? 100 के पैकेट का क्या मतलब है? 10 का एक पैकेट है और वैसा 10 बार और 10 का, it's like 10 rupee note. If you have a 10 rupee note and you repeat it 10 times, it's a 100 का पैकेट, right? Say it if you think कि सर हाँ मुझे समझ में आ गया, बहुत बार रिपीट कर चुके हो अभी. Is it so?
नहीं.
Okay, but you understand. And this is what you call then expanded form. है कि नहीं? This is what you call expanded form. You know that very well. Now you have a greater understanding of what this form really means, right? Yeah. Anisha, are you there?
Yes.
Is it interesting enough? So if it is something like this is written, you know now that this is units, then this is tens, this is hundreds, and this is thousands, and why it is so. And when you are performing arithmetic operation, any kind of operation, addition, subtraction, or whatever, or multiplication, you know how things are grouping and how the final outcome is coming, because how after becoming a group it moves to the left, or if you need it to the right side, you open it up and bring it to the right side when you are subtracting, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, great, wonderful, fantastic. So Anisha, टेल मी, इनको मैं क्या नाम देता हूँ इन प्लेसेस को, व्हाट एवर these places are, मैं इनको क्या नाम देता हूँ, व्हाट नेम आई गिव टू देम, सब टू यू, राइट? आप इसको बोलते हो वंस बिकॉज यहाँ पे आप सिंगल के लिए सिंबल यूज कर रहे हो, सिंगल एंटिटीज के लिए। इसको आप टेंस बोल रहे हो, इसको आप हंड्रेड्स बोल रहे हो। ये ऑब्वियस लग रहा होगा कि ये क्यों है ऐसा, और ये थाउजेंड्स बोल रहे हो, राइट? करेक्ट है। ऐसा हो सकता है ना कि इन सम अदर कंट्री और इन सम अदर सिस्टम लॉजिक वही है, बट नेम्स आर डिफरेंट। क्या? जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, क्या मैं इस हंड्रेड्स को टेन टेंस बोल सकता हूँ? टेंस, जो टेंस है, टेंस टेंस के पैकेट है, वो 10 बार आ रहे हैं, क्या मैं बोल सकता हूँ ऐसे?
हाँ।
कोई हो सकता है ना ऐसा, तुम किसी कंट्री में जाओ एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग 100 रुपीज दे आर सेइंग 10 टेंस। आप हंड्रेड, आप टेंथ, आप हंड्रेड्स को ये भी बोल सकते हो 100 सिंगल्स। मैं 1000 को क्या बोल सकता हूँ? कैन आई से 10 हंड्रेड्स? और आप एक्चुअली में सोचो अनायशा, तो ये 10 टेंस ही है ना, जो 10 10 के पैकेट्स हैं वो 10 बार आते हैं, तो 10 टेंस, इट्स लाइक 10 पेंसिल्स। अगर पेंसिल 10 बार आ रही है तो तुम बोलोगे 10 पेंसिल्स। अगर 10 कार्टन है तुम्हारे सामने, 10 पैकेट्स हैं, वो 10 बार आ रहे हैं, तो तुम बोलोगे 10 पैकेट्स, 10 पैकेट्स ऑफ 10 ईच, सो 10 टेंस, राइट? ये सही है। ये जो मैंने लिखा है 10 हंड्रेड्स, क्या मैं इसको 10 हंड्रेड्स बोल सकता
हाँ।
हूँ? क्या मैं इसको ये बोल सकता हूँ 100 टेंस? 10 10 के जो पैकेट है, अगर वो 100 टाइम्स रिपीट होंगे,
हाँ।
1000 आएगा। बोल सकता हूँ?
हाँ।
ओके ग्रेट। तो एक नंबर लेते हैं टू गिव यू दिस फाइनल आउटलुक ऑफ द नंबर सिस्टम। The number I will take is, let's say, 5 4 3 7 6 and 2. Okay, so let's see. This you know already, this is ones. Yeah, then you know already this is tens. You know already this is hundreds. You know already this is thousands. Now इसके जो लेफ्ट क्या होगा, जब ये जो 1000 है, जब इसके 10 पैकेट्स कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे, 10 पैकेट्स, तो ये लेफ्ट में मूव करेगा। दैट इज वेयर यू विल गेट
हाँ।
10,000. So what do you call it? Don't you call it 10,000?
हम्म।
Correct है? और
हाँ।
yes, right? And then this would be what? Think about it. It would be 10 10,000s. Huh? Will it be 10 10,000s?
हाँ।
ये जो 10,000 है वो 10 बार आएगा, 10 बार रिपीट होएगा, तो यहाँ पे 10 10,000s, राइट? I can also write it as 100,000s. 100,000s. ये जो 10 10 है, अच्छा इधर देखो, ये 100, ये जो 1000 है, that is repeating 100 times. I can call it 100,000s. तो यहाँ पे this is thousands, 10,000s, then 100,000s. But in case of Indian system, you call the same thing as lakh. And see, again, as I said, name आप कुछ भी दे सकते हो, आप पे डिपेंड करता है, राइट? मुझे ये लगता है पर्सनली कि this makes more sense because it is telling you how many times it has been repeated on the left side. ना, जैसे यहाँ पे मैं ये भी लिख सकता था, if you will look at it properly एक बार, just for this is ones, this is 10 ones, ये one जो है वो 10 बार रिपीट हुआ है, this is 10 10 ones, right? This is 10, 10, 10 ones. लिख सकता था? This is like 10 groups of ones, 10 ones. Yeah, 10 groups of ones. The same thing, remember? But instead of doing that, we have invented these words which show the same thing, some meaning associated with these words. So you follow this path, or you follow the Indian path. Depending on that, you say these words, right? So in case of Indian, this will be one only, this will be tens, this will be 100 only, this will be 1,000, this will be 10,000, but then lakh will come. Yeah? But lakh is same as 100,000 in international place value, international way, right? You know this already, but do you see that if you want to create your own words, that is absolutely fine, right? You can call them, let's say, let's just do that, okay? Why don't we do that? You want to call them singles. Instead of ones, you are saying it's singles. And then you are saying this is going to be singles tens. Yeah, then you're going to call this singles tens. It's your wish. How you understand it, you're going to put those words into place, and आप उसी तरह से communicate करने लगते हो society में. But the society should also communicate back in the same terms, right? अगर आपके जो आसपास लोग हैं, अगर वो same terms में communicate नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो sense नहीं बनेगा, उनको समझ ही नहीं आएगा आप क्या बोल. That's why everybody is learning international. Ones, tens, then hundreds, then thousands, 10,000s, then 100,000s, then thousands. But thousands we call 1 million, right? After 100,000s, what would it be? Suppose यहाँ पे होता 4. So it's going to be thousands, right? But in international system, we call it 1 million. Thousands का क्या मतलब है? Thousand बार repeat हो रहा है, correct? But we call it 1 million. Now, million is a word, as it's just the same as we called this 1 lakh. They are calling this 6 zeros are there, okay? They're calling this 1 million. Do you understand it? Do you get it? What I'm trying to say? Are you sure? You will do all the things. You will represent everything. You will put everything on the paper. I know that. And you're going to do it in the same way. You're going to expand things, expand the number. You're going to see कि groups बन रहे हैं. You're going to name them in international way and in Indian way. तुम करते हो ना ये चीज? You already do that or not? You tell me. Tell me if I'm wrong. You're going to do the same thing. It's just a better idea that I'm proposing that, okay, you look at it in this way. Do you see the logic behind the namings of it? Yeah. Do you see the logic? I'm again going to repeat it in one single sentence. It's so simple. Hundreds repeated 10 times called thousands. 1,000 then repeated 10 times is called 10,000. 10,000 repeated 10 times, 100,000. 100,000 repeated 10 times, 1,000. But it's called 1 million in international way. Yeah. And in Indian way, it is called as, you tell me. India में ये वाली चीज है. अब ये 10 times repeat हो रही है. So we just simply call it 10 lakh. This one. We simply call it 10 lakh. So, you getting my point? अभी एक काम करते हैं अनायशा, इसको थोड़ा सा क्लोज करने के लिए प्रॉपर्ली लेट्स जस्ट राइट एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म इन बोथ वेज एक बार बस, ठीक है? इज दैट ओके विद यू? 4 5 3, 2, 7, 9. Okay. Okay. So this is ones. This is tens, hundreds, thousands. Yeah. Which way do you want first?
Indian way.
Okay, 10,000. Then
10 lakhs.
yes, तो वो 100,000 हुआ. ठीक है, 100,000 हुआ in the international way. मैं गलत हूँ?
नहीं.
100,000 मैंने नीचे लिख दिया एक बार, तो ये हो गया lakh. Yes, or if there would have been another number over here, 6. Yeah, so this is 10 lakh, right? So this one is Indian way. Yeah, so this is gonna be 60 lakh. Yeah, then
4 lakh.
4 lakh, sorry, my mistake. This is gonna be, मैं ऐसे लिखता हूँ ना, 64 lakh, then 53,000.
53,000.
Yeah, because see, yeah, okay, 53,000 and 279, right? Now the international way, the one which is we are writing, okay? This is still the same, ones, tens, hundreds, yeah? Then what should I write? Is it still the 1,000?
Yeah, 1,000. Then 10,000.
Sure?
Yeah.
10,000, 100,000, or अगर
And 1 million.
The green one is the international one, and green one is the international, and black one is the Indian one. Let me ask that. Okay. Is this fine? So how will you write it? मुझे बोलोगे word form में? This
ठीक है, 6,453,000.
Okay. 453,000.
279.
Yes. Absolutely. Perfect. Brilliant work. Great. Nice. Okay. So would you be nice enough to do a little work? Yeah, sure. Just visualization. I'm not gonna burden you too much with anything, don't worry. So why don't you go ahead later and add, so this is this. Now it has to be done visually, okay? So you know what I mean. मैं इस बार इसमें एक left add कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? So you have to add it to 178.
ये hundreds के केस में dots हैं that represent
वो
100.
नहीं, वो तो मैंने, क्योंकि मैं उतने सारे बना नहीं सकता, इसलिए मैंने ऐसे लिख दिया डॉट डॉट डॉट. तो मैं थोड़ा इमेजिन करना पड़ेगा. हाँ, एक बार करना, देखते हैं हाउ यू डू दैट. बट विजुअलाइजेशन चाहिए. देन द सेकंड वन इज and the second one is say 4 or let's just have the same number 243 and you are subtracting from it 1, 2, okay, have to subtract this, okay, but then you know what you need to do, right? You need to visualize, you have to explain through visualization, right? Will you do that? And then there's this third one, a very little one really. It's 233 and you have to just times it 4. Yeah, visualization के साथ, you get it, right?
Yes.
Hello, good. We'll see you on Tuesday then. You know you have the Google Drive link.
Yes.
You can click on the link. ये तुम्हारे सामने खुल जाएगा, right?
ठीक है, फिर मैं करके आपको पिक्चर व्हाट्सएप करूं?
हाँ, अगर पिक्चर व्हाट्सएप कर दोगे बहुत अच्छा रहेगा.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Yeah. Bye bye. See you.
Okay, bye.